Part 2 is the Photo Party Upload Helper. Now, the helper runs on a Windows computer. This is the computer where your photos are going to. To download the helper, you can follow the link in your welcome email, or you can click Download Helper here. So this needs to be open and running on your Windows computer that the photos are going into. I already have that installed here. It runs on the tray in the bottom. So here's the helper. It's an icon of a gray camera. If you're signed in, it has a green check mark. You have to be signed in, but once you've signed in, you'll stay signed in. This is a main screen of the Photo Party Upload Helper. If you're allowing guests to print from the iPad, this is where you'll choose what printer you'd like to print to. It's very important that you go into all your printer settings and make sure you have the right size paper selected. Here's where you can click to change transfer folder. The transfer folder is your hot folder. It can be any folder on your computer. It's the folder where your images are stored or are going to from your camera. Any photo that goes into that folder will be wirelessly transferred to the iPad. In order to get these images, we recommend that you shoot tethered, which means that your camera is connected to the computer with a cable, and you'll need a third-party software in order to shoot tethered. Canon cameras come with free software called EOS Utility, and there are lots of options for Nikons and other brands as well. So those are the main features of this configure screen, the printer settings, and the ability to choose your helper folder. Now, we created the event called PPU Test, and we need to tell the helper that that's the party we want the settings to be applied from. So in order to do that, you go back down to the taskbar and right-click on the icon. Now here you'll notice that you can change the watched folder as well. You can get to the main configure screen from here, and you can choose your events. So if you hover over events, you'll notice our PPU test event does not show up. That's because the helper was already open on my computer when I created it. So we haven't told the helper yet to sync to new events from the Event Manager website. So you're going to go ahead and do that by hitting refresh. You see the helper is downloading the event list.